The Samsung Galaxy M31s comes with Infinity O display, which gives you an immersive viewing experience with a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus display. The phone is available in Mirage Blue and Mirage Black colors. Samsung Galaxy M31s is available in two variants to choose from: 6GB RAM plus 128GB storage and 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage. The memory is expandable up to 512GB in both the variants. The phone comes with dual SIM. Both slots support 4G on dual standby. The Galaxy M31s has a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED Full HD Plus Infinity O display that gives you an immersive viewing experience with minimal interruption. With 1080 by 2400 pixels resolution, 407 ppi pixel density, and 16 million color support, the phone delivers vivid colors and clarity. It comes with fast face unlock and fingerprint sensor that lets you unlock your phone instantly and securely. The phone has a 64 megapixel quad rear camera setup. It also has a 32 megapixel front camera for selfies and video chats. Powered by Android version 10.0 and Exynos 9611 octa-core processor, this phone makes downloading as well as browsing very smooth. This phone is powered by a 6000 mAh lithium-ion battery with a 25 watts Type-C fast charger. The box includes handset, travel adapter, USB cable, ejection pin, and user manual. The product comes with standard brand warranty. For EMI options, refer to the product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 7 days replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information,